All right. So we're ice fishing out on Richmond Hill Pond. And they have to use an auger to
get through the ice?
Yeah. Is that guy still alive?
Oh yeah.
Wow. And will he swim with the...
Yeah, he'll just swim around down there a little bit.
Got a fish? Got a fish, Mott? Yeah, he got one.
Oh, he just caught one out there.
Oh, wow. Let me go check that out. Thanks. Terrific. That's cool. That's really cool. How deep's the ice? So you can see. Oh. I'm coming to film that fish if you don't mind. Look at that, huh? So what is it? What did you catch?
Yellow perch.
Yellow perch. Now, is that something you can eat?
Yeah, you can eat.
Oh yeah, it is a yellow perch. Look at that. Nice. How big do you think that guy is? Hoop. What do you think? He's about a pound?
You can take your glove off. Or don't throw him in the snow like that, Justin.
Where do you put him?
Well, you don't throw him in the snow.
Look at that, huh? Pretty cool. You know what I'm going to do?
People eat those. Those are good eating.
I'm actually going to stop.